My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the online schema that is associated with the website globalupdate.com. So this is the dangerous website that now may attack Google Chrome and other popular browsers. The website indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But all this information reported by such pop-ups is absolutely faulty. The pop-up by globalupdate.com claims to be related to some decent security software. However, it is not related to any decent software. Instead, global-update.com pop-ups may be the result of some adware currently enabled and active in your computer. So you should be very careful not to download and install anything that they suggest. If you click on proceed, you may be forwarded to some other malicious resource that may promote a totally different software, not the one that has been initially advertised. So please be very careful, do not ever interact with those fake alerts. What we recommend you to do is to carefully research the control panel of your computer. And if you find any suspicious programs on the list, you need to right-click on them and remove them from this list. To make sure that the system is free of any other hidden threats, we recommend scanning your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the software using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and start investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.